Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Power down the camera and remove the battery so the lens assembly won't move. First, try grip. Place a rubber jar opener or a latex glove over the filter and twist counterclockwise with steady pressure. This increases friction and reduces slippage. If it won't budge, warm the filter gently with a hair dryer for 10 to 20 seconds to expand metal slightly. Make sure it's warm, not hot. Once done, attempt another controlled twist and keep the lens supported to prevent torque on the mount. Now escalate carefully. Fit a rubber strap wrench or dedicated filter pliers around the filter rim, protecting the lens barrel with painter's tape where tools touch. You want smooth, even pressure. Rotate in small increments, quarter turns, then pause and reassess because sudden force risks cross-threading or bending. If the filter has a smooth face, a thin suction cup gives extra purchase without marring glass. If threads feel gritty, use a tiny drop of isopropyl alcohol at the edge to dissolve grime and retry once it settles in. Once the filter comes free, back it off slowly and inspect both the filter and lens threads. Clean them with a microfiber cloth and a touch of isopropyl to remove grit that caused the jam. If you can't loosen it with safe tools, try a quick cooling trick. Place the filter, not the camera, in a sealed bag and cool briefly to contract the metal, then attempt removal immediately. If you encounter sharp resistance, noise, or visible damage, stop, consult a professional repair service to avoid costly lens harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.